How to use saved audio on Instagram story. If any day you are an Instagram user, you love music like me, and therefore, when you like any of the music, you have saved the audio on the Instagram, and now you would like to use that very audio on your Instagram story, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following step. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. You can find the very Instagram application on your mobile device and then tap on Instagram like this. After you tap on Instagram like this, Instagram will be launched on your very mobile device. Now you can go to the profile like icon on the down portion and then go to the very option, the three dots there or the three lines there. Otherwise, you can also go to the option of videos like this, and you can also find the option of the saved audios on your very mobile device on the Instagram. But one thing you have to remember is that in Instagram, you cannot directly set the very saved audios to your Instagram story because the developers in the Instagram have not brought this feature even till now. Therefore, what you can do is you can go to your profile like icon, go to the three lines on the top, and then go to the option of the settings and privacy. After that, you have to just scroll down. You have to then go to the option of help. After tapping on help, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on the option of report a problem and tap on there. After that, you can go to the next option, that is report problem without shaking, and after you tap on that, you have to go to the next option, that is don't include and continue. Now here you have to tap the very problem that you would like to give the very option of setting the very audio that you have saved in Instagram to your Instagram story, but the very Instagram has not made this feature available still now. So please bring the very feature. So after you tap on all these and send the upload and the screenshot of that the very feature is not available and send to the very Instagram, the developer may bring the very option of there in the very Instagram, and this way even you'll also be given the credit for that. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.